How to exchange Rev Points for money on Revolut. I'm going to tell you the truth about Rev Points and money on Revolut. Right now, you can't actually turn Rev Points directly into cash. They're loyalty points, and Revolut doesn't allow you to cash them out or transfer them to your balance. Instead, you can use them in different ways inside the app. Go to the hub, then open Rev Points, and you'll see your options. You can redeem them for airline miles, spend them on stays and experiences, get discounts at checkout with Revolut Pay, or even in some regions, even swap them for gift cards like Amazon or Nike. There's also a workaround where you transfer points to an airline program, then use the shop to grab gift cards, which some people use as an indirect way to get value like cash. But directly exchanging Rev Points for money isn't possible.